Why does the passage mention the observation regarding a closely related tree frog species? Where do we have this reference? It is the fourth paragraph that refers to the closely related tree frog species, and in that context it says that there are certain questions such as how do the female frogs overcome this illusion, and why does any male frog call first, and also about the long episodes of silence that follow these calls. And it says that to add to the puzzle, there are other similar species that sometimes synchronize but sometimes do not. And the passage concludes by saying that more research needs to be done. So it can be inferred that the reference of other closely related tree frog species is made to suggest that this phenomenon of synchronized communication needs more research. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, explain long episodes of silence. The passage raises a concern about long episodes of silence, but the closely related tree frog species do not explain this silence. In fact, they add more to the puzzle. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, to indicate that synchronized calls are used by some frog species. Yes, the passage mentions that closely related frog species use synchronization sometimes, but to provide this information is not the purpose of mentioning these species. These species are mentioned to indicate that more research is required. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, to hint at the variety in mating behavior. The reference of closely related species is made in the context of understanding synchronous calls and not in the context of providing variety in mating behavior. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, to suggest that synchronized calls among frogs need greater study. Yes, that is what is implied in the passage. The fourth paragraph asks several questions regarding synchronized communication and says that other similar species sometimes synchronize but sometimes don't. And it says that more research is required. So this answer choice correctly captures the thought in the mention of these frog species. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E, to question the necessity of using synchronized calls. In the context of the reference of the closely related tree frog species, the passage doesn't raise question about whether synchronized calls are necessary. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate this answer choice. D is the correct answer choice.